all-clad waffle maker, 2-slice Belgian waffle maker right here. This one is the Presto Stuffler stuffed waffle maker right here. This thing is crazy because this one makes thick waffle, but more importantly, stuffed waffle. You put some batter in, you put your topping, put more batter, and close it up, cook it like that, flip it around, cook it like that. When you're ready to serve, check this out. Lift the top part, and the waffle is gonna stick to this. Lift this out and put it on a plate like that because this is your removable tongue. So cool. This one makes thick stuffed waffles right here from Presto. Over here, this is a serious waffle maker. It makes Belgian waffles to perfection each and every time. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 browning setting, a power light, a radio light, simple to operate, easy to clean. There we go. This one is the all-clad. You can store this thing upright like this to save space, just like you can do that with the Presto as well. Store it upright like here with a little latch and you're good to go. These are both awesome waffle makers. They got their purposes. You want good Belgian waffles, the all-clad will do it for you. You want stuffed waffle? Well, the Presto is a stuffler and it makes some serious good stuffed waffles right there and Belgian waffles right there. Waffles maker.